How to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. If you're creating a PowerPoint presentation and want to add a clickable link into a website, document, or another slide, today I'm going to show you how to easily add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to add the hyperlink to. You can use any text, shape, or image as the link. So let's pick something to link. Just select the text, shape, or image that you want to turn into hyperlink. Right click on it and simply click on hyperlink. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see various options like you can simply add a link to place in the document, you can create new document, or you can create a link to an email address as well. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the labeled address. Simply on the address, I will paste the URL of a website that I'm linking to a web page. You can choose to put whichever you prefer. Now let's start our presentation. Do that, go to slideshow and simply tap from beginning. Now let's tap on our hyperlink. Now it should take you directly to the web page or slide you link to. And that's it. Now you know how to add hyperlinks in PowerPoint, whether you're linking to a website, a slide, or even an external file. It's super easy to do.